So this is my Wi-Fi controlled USB port project. It is powered by 5 volts coming in here. Then the voltage is dropped here down to 3.3 volts to power the ESP8266 module, which then controls the MOSFET and the power output. Power output is 5 volts. The module is connected to my house Wi-Fi, and once I navigate to the web page of the ESP module, I get presented with this web page. Then by pressing the button on, the lights come on, and the button off turns them off. So let's see how it's all wired together. So we got 5 volt input from the USB charger, go into the 5 volt to 3.3 volt step down converter to power ESP8266. Then GPIO pin 02 controls the MOSFET, and then the MOSFET obviously releases the ground to the USB output, and USB plus, or the positive charge, comes from the power input directly. So let's have a quick look at the Arduino sketch. So the only two things really you would need to change are the SSID of your Wi-Fi network and your Wi-Fi password. And I will be uploading the Arduino sketch and the wiring diagram to the links below the video. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thanks for watching.